Hi everyone, good afternoon and happy Tuesday. Now I'm going to cook this meat that I have here, and I have this oil already. So I'm going to add the onions. Hi, these are my vegetables. And then I'm going to add the garlic. And I have this one, the meat. So I'm going to add it here. So this is it. And I'm going to add the salt and the black pepper. So I'll be back later on. I have to cook this one first for a few minutes before I'm going to add the other ingredients. So see you later everyone, and thank you so much for watching my vlog this time here in my home and Stockholm, Sweden. Bye bye. Hej då.